Well, here is my first bag of crap that I have bought. I just picked it up from the post office. Weighs just a smidge under 3 pounds, I believe was what the tracking said. So let's open it up and see what's inside it. When I dropped it, I heard a monkey screaming. So I have a feeling that there's going to be a monkey in it. I'm doing this one-handed. Okay. And sure enough, I have a screaming monkey. I guess he's not going to scream right now. So what else do I have in here? I have some sort of jewelry case, maybe? I'm not quite sure what that is. Now this will come in handy for me. A breast milk storage container. Just what I needed. Perfect for everyday use. I'm a very happy child. An aqua globe. I suppose I could use this with my plant, so I don't have to worry about it being dry, as seen on TV. So it appears to be an aqua globe. And cats are enjoying checking out the box too. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, another monkey with the orange cape. And Todd's Dirt. A container of dirt spices. I actually bought one of these, so I'm sure a second one will come in handy because I do like to put seasoning on barbecue. And that looks like it's about it. So, to summarize, aqua globe, breast milk storage container, jewelry case, I think, Todd's Dirt, and a couple of monkeys. So let's see what this beautiful jewelry container looks like here. Oh, maybe it's a purse. Oh yeah, this will come in quite handy to go along with my breast milk container. Hard to do everything one-handed here. Put this down for a sec here. There's the cat. Yeah, that looks like a container. Gigi kind of likes the chain that comes with it though. Golden crown. Okay. Well, summarize. There's the 2 monkeys, the breast milk, the dirt, the aqua globe, and the purse or jewelry thing. Those are all my containers from my first bag of crap. Kitty's enjoying them. Bye bye.